Ever stared at a bank's fine print and felt like you needed a decoder ring? I mean, seriously, minimum balance requirements. What's the deal with that? Are they just trying to squeeze every last penny out of us, or is there some magic reason behind it all? And specifically, today, we're talking about Ally. Does Ally, that online banking darling, that beacon of no-fee hope, actually require a minimum balance? You've probably heard the whispers, the rumors, the online forum debates. Is it a myth, or is there a hidden catch? Stick around, because we're about to unravel this mystery, and I promise you'll walk away feeling a whole lot more confident about your banking choices. Now, before we get laser-focused on Ally, let's take a quick detour into the broader world of banking and why these minimum balance requirements even exist in the first place. Think of it like this: banks are businesses. They need to make money to operate, just like your local coffee shop or that online store you love. Traditionally, one way they do this is by lending out the money you deposit. When you keep a certain amount in your account, it gives them a pool of funds to work with. They can then loan that money out to others, charging interest and generating revenue. This is why, for many traditional banks, minimum balance requirements are a way to ensure they have enough capital to function. If you don't meet that minimum, they might hit you with a monthly maintenance fee. It's like a rent for keeping your account open, a way for them to cover their operating costs. But, in today's digital age, the banking landscape is shifting. Online banks like Ally operate with significantly lower overhead costs compared to brick-and-mortar institutions. They don't have to maintain hundreds of branches, pay for utilities, or staff large teams of tellers. This allows them to offer different fee structures and, in many cases, eliminate fees altogether. So, let's finally circle back to our main question: Ally Bank. Does it require a minimum balance? The short answer is a resounding no. Ally Bank is well known for its commitment to no-fee banking, and that extends to minimum balance requirements. Whether you're opening a checking account, a savings account, or even a money market account, you won't be hit with a monthly service fee for falling below a certain threshold. You can keep as much or as little money in your account as you want, without worrying about those pesky charges. This is a huge advantage, especially for those who are just starting out, students, or anyone who wants to avoid the stress of constantly monitoring their account balance. It's a breath of fresh air in a world where banking fees can often feel like death by 1,000 cuts. But, and this is a crucial but, just because there's no minimum balance requirement doesn't mean you should ignore your finances altogether. It's still important to manage your money responsibly, track your spending, and make sure you have enough funds to cover your bills. Now, let's dig a little deeper into the specific accounts Ally offers and how this no minimum balance policy plays out. First up, we have their online savings account. This is a popular choice for those looking to grow their savings, thanks to its competitive interest rates and, of course, no minimum balance. You can open an account with any amount you like and start earning interest right away. There are no monthly maintenance fees, and you can easily transfer funds between your Ally accounts. Next, we have their interest checking account. This account also boasts no minimum balance, and it even earns interest, which is a rare find in the world of checking accounts. You get access to a free debit card, online bill pay, and mobile check deposit. Again, no monthly fees, no minimum balance requirements, just simple, straightforward banking. And finally, we have their money market account. This account combines the features of a savings and checking account, offering higher interest rates than a standard savings account, along with check writing capabilities and a debit card. You guessed it, no minimum balance required here either. So, why does Ally do this? Why are they so generous with their no-fee policy? Well, it's all part of their strategy to attract and retain customers. They understand that in today's competitive banking landscape, fees are a major pain point for many people. By eliminating these fees, they're able to offer a more attractive and transparent banking experience. They're betting on the idea that if they treat their customers well, they'll build long-term relationships and earn their loyalty. But, and this is another important but, just because Ally doesn't charge minimum balance fees doesn't mean they don't have any fees at all. There are still some fees you might encounter, such as fees for excessive transactions on savings accounts, wire transfers, or stop payments. It's crucial to read the fine print and understand the full fee schedule before opening an account. You can find this information on their website or by contacting their customer service team. One common misconception is that because Ally is an online bank, it's somehow less secure than a traditional brick-and-mortar bank. This is absolutely not true. Ally Bank is FDIC insured, which means your deposits are protected up to $250,000 per depositor, per insured bank, for each account ownership category. This is the same level of protection you'd get at any other FDIC insured bank. 1. nichecapitalco.com. nichecapitalco.com. Additionally, Ally employs robust security measures to protect your account and personal information, including encryption, fraud monitoring, and multi-factor authentication. So, you can rest assured that your money is safe and secure. Now, let's talk about some practical tips for managing your money with Ally. Even though there are no minimum balance requirements, it's still essential to have a budget and track your spending. Use the online tools and mobile app provided by Ally to monitor your account activity, set up alerts, and create savings goals. Take advantage of their features like the savings buckets, which allow you to allocate your savings to different goals, like a vacation, a down payment on a house, or an emergency fund. This can help you stay organized and motivated. Also, consider setting up automatic transfers between your checking and savings accounts to build your savings gradually. Even small amounts can add up over time. Don't forget to take advantage of the competitive interest rates offered by Ally. Compare their rates with other banks and make sure you're getting the best possible return on your savings. And finally, if you have any questions or concerns, don't hesitate to reach out to Ally's customer service team. They're known for their excellent customer support and are always happy to help. In conclusion, Ally Bank does not require a minimum balance for any of its accounts. This is a significant advantage for anyone looking for a simple, fee-free banking experience. However, it's still crucial to manage your money responsibly, track your spending, and understand the full fee schedule. Ally offers a range of online tools and resources to help you stay on top of your finances, and their customer service team is always available to assist you. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.